Welcome to the Spill Station Spill Kit instructional video. In this course, we'll be covering three main topics. First, we'll look at why you need spill response equipment on your site. Next, we'll show you the type of equipment you will typically find in your spill kit. And finally, the procedure to contain and clean up a workplace spill. With strict environment protection laws in each state and harmonised work health and safety regulations, it's now illegal for businesses to operate without the correct environment, health and safety equipment in place. The framework of fines set up by this legislation make company directors, the company and individual employees liable to prosecution in the event of a spill. That means if a chemical spill occurs and no steps are taken to address it correctly, fines of up to $10 million can apply to the company and up to $250,000 to individuals. To avoid such penalties, you must be able to demonstrate that the right equipment is in place and that all reasonable steps have been taken to minimise the harm arising from a spill. For more information on this presentation or our range of scheduled equipment maintenance services, contact Spill Station today.